Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can disable the gambling black on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have the full access to everything you need. So first thing is of course, open your Revolut app or your website and make sure that it is available in your country so that you will actually be able to do these steps. So first, of course, log into your account and then fill in with your credentials. And what you will do after logging in is you will tap cards. Then you will select the card. Scroll to the card settings and then you will toggle off gambling block and then confirm changes with pin or face or touch ID. Then gambling black will be disabled. And that's just basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.